More power means more fun, say the manufacturer of this trike. That's why they put a 203 horsepower engine on the model. However, the speed had to be limited to 125 miles per hour, but you can still go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 5 seconds. The model is full of style and comfort. A sporty design was successfully combined with convenience for both driver and passenger. For example, the standard model includes an 100-watt audio system, cruise control, electronic stability control, a leather steering wheel, and a rear-view camera. You can also customize the trike by choosing between automatic and a manual gearbox. Pricing starts at $29,700. You like the idea of an electric skateboard, but want something more suitable for off-road. Here is a scooter for you. The model is optimized for riding on the ground, but it can produce impressive results on asphalt as well. The electric motor power is 1800 watts. You can accelerate up to 20 miles per hour in about 4 to 5 seconds. The maximum speed is 27 miles per hour, and 5 speed modes are provided for convenience. Riding comfort is ensured by 10-inch tires with universal tread, a brake system with a combination of hydraulic and regenerative braking, and a height-adjustable steering column. The range is 40 miles on a single charge, and the battery can be removed for charging at home or in the car. And for comfortable storage, the model has a folding design. Its engineers are sure that with this vehicle, you can ride the revolution, because this is the first production model of a motorcycle with a 2-wheeled front suspension. The trike is equipped with a 3-valve, 4-stroke engine with a maximum power of 115 horsepower. The unique 3-wheeled layout guarantees perfect stability, even in tight turns, while the width of the model is 35 inches. This allows riding comfortably in heavy traffic and traffic jams, so the trike proves itself perfectly in city conditions. An LCD dashboard, cruise control, and ABS braking system are available for ease of operation. By the way, the name of the equipment, Niken, can be constructed into 2 Japanese words, Ni, which means 2, and Ken, which means swords. If you don't have the money for production 3-wheelers, you can use some ingenuity and make this vehicle on your own. The author is obviously a very creative person. The huge front wheel looks very interesting, together with the small rear ones that look like they were borrowed from a cart or a lawnmower or something like that. The seating style of the vehicle is reminiscent of a chopper, and a huge headlamp makes it look more imposing. Of course, this trike won't set any records of speed and is far from being the most comfortable out there. However, you can take it for a ride to the store or drift on it in an empty parking lot. The author of the model didn't manage to attract a large audience, but this vehicle did cheer up a lot of people. The American company Vanderhall Motor Works builds hand-assembled trikes and takes their creations to European exhibitions. Many models are produced in limited editions, which arouses great interest. For example, the famous American comedian Jay Leno took a ride on one of these vehicles. The Venice model comes with a 194 horsepower 4-cylinder gasoline engine and a 6-speed transmission. The standard equipment includes cruise control, a heater system, and a Bluetooth-enabled audio system. The model also comes with an unusual option: 2-year, 24-hour roadside assistance with tow truck service. The manufacturer reminds that this is not a car, so there are no airbags, and you should always use your helmet. The cost of the vehicle starts from $30,000. Next up is a product from China, an electric 3-wheeled skateboard. It's designed to hold up to 220 pounds and can go about 11 miles on a single charge, while accelerating up to 15.5 miles per hour. A special spring system ensures a soft ride over bumps. The battery is easy to remove for charging or replacement. It also comes with a remote control so that you can control the speed and remotely activate the brakes, for example. And an LED backlight adds brightness to the ride. A review left by one of the buyers reads, "After trying out my kid's new hoverboard, I really got the itch to have my own toy, even though it's been about 20 years since I've been on a skateboard." The price is about $470. We've been talking about bikes without mentioning Harley-Davidson. Time to fix that. This touring model will please you with its 114 cubic inch engine and premium suspension, adapted specially for the features of the trike. Every detail has been thought out for comfortable travel over long distances. For example, the redesigned fairing is aerodynamically optimized to reduce head buffeting. The built-in trunk holds 4.4 cubic feet and 51 pounds of luggage, and the optional trunk will give you an extra 2.4 cubic feet. And smooth and quiet gear shifting is provided by the Cruise Drive 6-speed transmission. Fuel consumption is about 2 gallons per 62 miles, and the tank holds about 6 gallons. And to keep you entertained on the road, a Bluetooth-enabled infotainment system with 4 speakers is provided. The engineers of the American team Scorpion Trikes have created a very interesting concept. Thanks to their kit, it'll be possible to turn a standard Harley-Davidson V-Rod into a trike. According to the team, the set will be especially valuable for riders with disabilities, who for various reasons can't control a two-wheeled bike. The work will take about half a day, and you can do it on your own. You'll additionally need to buy some parts, but on the other hand, you won't need to modify the frame. It's expected to be sold for about $5,000, and a variation of the kit for the Harley-Davidson FL and various accessories like lighting kits and fenders will also be available. This model has a more modest motto: everything you need for your commute. In addition, the Canadian developers are sure that Solo is not only more environmentally friendly, but also smarter than many similar products. For comparison, we should tell you the price at once: $18,500. For this money, you get a range of about 100 miles on a single charge and the ability to accelerate up to 80 miles per hour. The vehicle can be charged from a regular 220-volt wall socket. 2.5 hours will be enough to fill 85% of the battery. The basic package includes a digital dashboard, a Bluetooth and USB-compatible audio system, rear-view camera, air conditioning, and heated mirrors. This is not a car, this is not a scooter, this is the Carver, claim the designers of this three-wheeled vehicle. This 100% electric model is designed for short trips in the city, like going to work or the supermarket. It has a range of 80 miles on a single charge and a top speed of 50 miles per hour. The width of the vehicle is 39 inches, which allows you to carve through the traffic. The developers also kept the motorcycle's characteristic feature. The Carver is able to lean into corners. You'll need to make a deposit of $1,230 or more to purchase this vehicle. Since 1988, our vehicles continue to be different from anything else on the road, claim the makers of this trike. There really is a lot to see, as the model is equipped with a 208 horsepower Kawasaki engine, a 6-speed gearbox, an adjustable suspension with external oil reservoir, and an integrated computer with an on-screen menu. There's also a traction control system with 3 modes to suit different conditions: smooth for wet surfaces, sport for more aggressive driving, or off for total pilot control. And of course, the vehicle will be a treat for the eyes and ears of those who like speed. The vehicle has a sporty design, and the muffler reproduces the characteristic sound of a sports car. The price starts at $66,000. This trike was created by Martin Kreis, a master from Germany. Its key feature is that it allows you to use your legs as well as your arms, and also use various combinations of arms and legs. The system turned out to be so successful that Kreis has already patented it. It weighs about 50 pounds and uses a 10-speed SRAM GX drivetrain to handle the gears. If the customer wishes, the master is ready to make an upgrade by putting an 11-speed Shimano Alpine gear hub or a 14-speed roll-off hub. According to Kreis, different riding styles help train different muscle groups. This way you can work out on the go. The price is about $5,800. A cross between a bike helmet and a high-heeled shoe, says one of the reviews of this engineering marvel. The design of this e-trike is indeed peculiar, but it is justified for several reasons. Firstly, thanks to this design, the vehicle only weighs 121 pounds. It has a range of 50 miles on a single charge. The e-trike will come with two engine options, 250-watt Eco and 750-watt Extreme. Secondly, there are special air vents covered with filters to keep the rider cool and breathing clean air. And finally, the storage compartment holds about 2 cubic feet of cargo. By the way, there's another reason a helmet was mentioned. One of the components of the cabin is polypropylene foam used in bicycle and ski helmets. The vehicle costs about $6,200. This three-wheel car was introduced by British engineers. With every drive, your senses are heightened, they assure potential buyers. And these are not just meaningless words. You can accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 7 seconds. The model's engine is a 118 horsepower Ford Dragon, and the tank holds 8.5 gallons of fuel. It has a Mazda MX-5 5-speed gearbox, and the power is transferred to the rear wheel with a toothed belt. The tires are also quite interesting. They're specially developed, upgraded Avon Speedmaster 20-inch motorcycle tires. 2 people can ride the vehicle at the same time, and customization fans will be pleased with the different colors and unique paint job options.